Welcome back to LucaBox. In this video, we'll show you the 10 best countries to invest in real estate right now. We'll reveal the 10 hottest spots for your property investment portfolio in 2023. Real estate is a smart way to grow your wealth and generate income, as long as you have the capital to do it. You can profit from the appreciation of your property value and the rental income from tenants or tourists. Here are the 10 countries that offer the most appealing opportunities for real estate investors. The first on our list: Mexico. Mexico may have a reputation for being unsafe because of its drug cartels, but if you avoid the risky areas, you should be fine. And what we're interested in here is Mexico's huge tourist market, which attracts visitors from North America and beyond, as well as the growing Mexican middle class. You can invest in gated properties in well-known beach resorts like Cancun or Puerto Vallarta, or you can opt for a more emerging spot like Tulum on Mexico's Caribbean coast. You can expect net yields of up to 8% on short-term rentals. Next on the list: Turkey. Turkey is another country that people have been hesitant to buy in recently, due to its political instability since 2016. But the economy is doing well and Turkey's political problems haven't affected tourism. In fact, Istanbul was the 4th most visited city in the world in 2019, ahead of Berlin, Barcelona, and Rome. Fewer foreigners buying property means lower prices for real estate. As well as Istanbul, you could invest in one of Turkey's popular beach resorts. And what's more, low prices for buying property also mean it's affordable for investors who don't have a lot of cash to spare. Our number 3 spot: Belize. Belize is a Central American country that borders the Caribbean Sea. It has a lot of natural beauty, from palm-lined beaches to dense jungles. It's also becoming more popular among tourists, especially those who are interested in ecotourism, diving, or Mayan culture. You can invest in short-term tourist rentals in Belize and enjoy high occupancy rates and net yields of up to 8% or more. Number 4. United Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates is a country that epitomizes luxury and glamour. Dubai is one of the most sought-after destinations for international travelers, whether they are looking for shopping, entertainment, or business opportunities. The UAE has a large expat population, which creates a high demand for rental properties. You can also benefit from the low taxes in the UAE, which are only 5% on rental income and very low on personal income. This means you can keep more of your profits and your tenants can afford higher rents. Number 5. Barbados. Barbados is a Caribbean island that is famous for its carnivals, windswept beaches, and Rihanna. It's also a high-end tourist destination, attracting wealthy visitors who are willing to pay premium prices for accommodation. Investing in Barbados requires a bigger budget, but it also offers one of the highest tourist rental rates in the world. You can also enjoy low income taxes in Barbados, which are only 5.5% on rental income up to $25,000. At number 6. Costa Rica. Costa Rica is another Central American country that has both Caribbean and Pacific coastlines. It also has lush rainforests, volcanoes, and wildlife that make it a paradise for nature lovers. Costa Rica has a stable tourism industry, with over 3 million visitors every year. It also has high yields and low taxes on property rentals, making it an attractive option for investors. You can buy a property in Costa Rica easily and affordably, as there are no restrictions or extra fees for foreigners. Number 7 on our list: Indonesia. Indonesia is a Southeast Asian country that consists of 17,000 islands. The most famous one is Bali, which is known for its tropical beaches and romantic getaways. Bali is also popular with digital nomads, who work remotely from cafes or co-working spaces. You can invest in short-term rentals in Bali and cater to both tourists and nomads, who are looking for comfortable and affordable accommodation. Number 8. Cyprus. Cyprus is a Mediterranean island that offers a lot of appeal for tourists and business travelers alike. It has sunny beaches, vibrant nightlife, and a strategic location as a regional business hub. The Cyprus government is also very friendly to foreign investors, offering low taxes and easy residency programs. You can enjoy 0% rental tax on the first $23,000 you earn from your property, and up to 8% net yield on short-term rentals. Coming at number 9. Philippines. The Philippines is a Southeast Asian country that boasts an economy on the rise and some of the best conditions around for foreigners to invest in real estate. High rental yields and low taxes of just over 4%. Rentals could be for tourist markets, or they could be in business districts where there is a high demand for quality housing and office space. And this demand is constantly rising, especially in big cities like Manila or Quezon City. Just keep in mind that foreigners aren't allowed to own land, unless you are married to a Filipino citizen. You can however own condos or office space investments. Number 10 on our list. Portugal. Portugal offers visitors generous helpings of culture, beaches, and wine. When it comes to property, it doesn't look so spectacular at first glance. That is, until you notice that Portugal has a very specific niche: renovating old rundown properties and turning them into chic designer holiday rentals. If you're going to renovate, you'll need to invest some time, money above the purchase price, possibly skills, and a large amount of patience and determination. But there are others who will jump at the opportunity. And if they can do it well, there are big profits to be made in Portugal. Add to that the fact that property prices are rising and are likely to keep on doing that, Portugal gets a prime spot. Number 11. America. America, which boasts the most millionaires and billionaires residing in its borders, is booming with real estate opportunities at every corner. With 50 states to choose from, with vast amount of land for commercial build-up and investing. According to the World Tourism Organization, the United States is the third most popular tourist destination in the world after France and Spain, with a growing population which creates a steady demand for housing and commercial space. If you are looking to invest in real estate, there is no shortage for purchase or development, with 50 states to choose from, with vast amount of land for commercial build-up. Hot spots like Austin, Texas, Miami, Florida, North Carolina have seen a surge of growth after the pandemic. America has a variety of real estate investment options. You can choose the level of risk, return, and involvement that suits your goals and preferences. You can also diversify your portfolio by investing in different regions, sectors, and property types. And for our bonus location, Thailand. It's no secret that Thailand is huge with tourists. In fact, Bangkok was the world's most visited city in 2023. And it's got a strong economy. Because of that tourism investment property, a high demand for rental properties is needed. This can make real estate investing in Thailand a profitable venture. Consider the areas of Bangkok with large numbers of expats or tourist hotspots like Phuket, Koh Samui, or Chiang Mai. However, keep in mind that in Thailand, foreigners can't own land outright. They can buy upmarket condos. And that's where the real profits for foreigners can be found. That's a wrap for our top real estate investing spots in the world right now. We hope you enjoyed this video. If this video has inspired you to invest in property in another country, just remember to do your due diligence. Research and get advice from accredited sources. Also, be aware of local laws that affect your purchasing decisions. We want to hear from you, so leave us your thoughts and comments on this video. Thank you for watching.